Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on website analytics with Google Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To save on website analytics with Google Analytics, start by signing into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting the Start for Free button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin section at the bottom left of the page. In the admin panel, select Create Property to set up a new tracking account. Enter the property name, time zone, and currency for your website. Click on Next and provide the relevant information about your business. Choose the appropriate industry category that aligns with your website's focus. Next, you will need to select the data sharing options that suit your needs. Once the setup is complete, click Create to generate the tracking ID. Copy the tracking ID, as you will need it for integration. Now, integrate the tracking ID into your website by adding the provided code snippet to your HTML. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, you can use plugins like Google Sitekit or Monster Insights. After installation, ensure that the tracking code is correctly implemented. You can verify this by using the Google Tag Assist in Chrome extension. Now, let's set up goals to track conversions and important actions on your site. Go back to the admin section and navigate to Goals under the View column. Click on Plus New Goal to start. You can select from predefined templates or set up a custom goal. Fill in the goal details, name your goal, and define the type of conversion you want to track. Once completed, click Save. Next, utilize the real-time report to monitor user activity on your site. This report gives you immediate insights into how visitors are engaging with your content. To analyze your website's performance over time, navigate to Acquisition, Behavior. Explore these reports to identify trends in areas where you can optimize your site. For deeper insights, consider setting up custom dashboards to visualize key metrics that matter most to you. In addition, make use of the Google Analytics free features like segmentation to analyze different user groups. Lastly, familiarize yourself with Google Analytics Academy for ongoing education and deeper understanding. By following these steps, you'll effectively leverage Google Analytics to save on website analytics while gaining valuable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.